Hi, this is David Sumberg, Program Director at the Santa Fe Farmers Market Institute. Welcome to the Applying for the Healthy Soil Program video series, designed to help individual applicants apply for the New Mexico Healthy Soil Program, which is run by the New Mexico Department of Agriculture. We are creating a series of videos that you may watch at your own pace, each with a specific topic and associated task for you to complete at the end of the video that we hope will encourage more farmers, ranchers, and land stewards to apply for the program by separating the process in bite-sized chunks. In this video, Writing the Narrative, we will walk you through the fillable document we made where you may save your work before uploading it into the online portal. This will help ensure you don't lose your work online. First, head to the Institute's webpage, farmersmarketinstitute.org. Click over What We Offer and down on Education. This is where you found all the videos previously. At the bottom of this page, click on Healthy Soil Application Guide and Worksheet, o Guía de Aplicación Salud del Suelo si habla en español. Si trabaja en este documento en español, necesitará usar Google para traducirlo al inglés. Save this in the HSP FY26 folder you created with all of your previous work. This is a lengthy document, so plan to set aside plenty of time to complete it. Take your time. You've already done most of the hard work. Now you need to put your thoughts and notes on paper. Note that this does not contain all the basic information as your name, location, etc. You will need to enter that directly into the online application, but it takes just a few minutes when you have all the information from your conservation plan and earlier documents. At the top, you'll note that there is a color-coded guide to help you. If something's highlighted in yellow, pay close attention to the question, instruction, or other information. If it's in green, there is a limit to the number of words you may use to answer the prompt. The online guide will tell you how many words you have used at the bottom right of each box. We'll show you that in the next video. If it is turquoise, this shows you how many points this section is worth. The whole application is worth 100 points, so the higher the value, the more you should concentrate on that section. If it is highlighted in gray, we provided some explanations for that section and tips to help you complete it. It would be very helpful to open your conservation plan, your budget and timeline, and any notes you've made as you work on this, so you can quickly refer to them as well as copy and paste information. Let's go to a section to demonstrate how to use this document and save your work. We'll scroll down to the narrative part. There we go. Project Narrative. This is your story, what you plan to do, and why. If you follow the highlights guide, turquoise shows that it is worth 20 points, the highest value after the budget. Between this section and the budget timeline, it's 60% of the total points. Make sure you ace these questions. Highlighted in green, you need to keep this between 250 and 500 words. We've put in a couple of pointers here throughout and some clarification about what to include for content in your answers. We've also provided information from a successful application, the one we've been referring to, just to help you. Please do not use these words. Make sure you create your own. Now remember, it is a good habit to start each answer with a question. For example, why are you applying for a Healthy Soil Program grant? I am applying for a Healthy Soil Program because, and then go on from there. Basically, all the information we took from previous documents. For example, the soil health concerns are taken from page 3 on the conservation plan. Copied and pasted these verbatim and did a little of expansion. Also from page 3, the following practices. These are the things you're going to do. Reduce tillage, and we provided a little extra content just to clarify what we were going to be doing. But putting in cover crops, applying compost and biology, all of this is from page 3 in the conservation plan. Soil health objectives. The objectives are basically the exact opposite of the concerns. If you have compaction concerns, you want to reduce compaction. If you have soil organic matter depletion, you want to increase soil carbon. So these are your objectives. In terms of this question, What are your contingencies for possible water shortages? Well, quite honestly, with this, we're trying to prevent against water shortages and keep our crops growing. So hopefully in doing this project, it will protect the crops from water shortages. And finally, why is this project important? These are your own words. You know the land and you know the project better than anyone. So you just need to basically tell the reader who's never met you before why this project is important. When you have filled all of this out, save it. Then give your project sponsor a call. Remember, you called them all the way back at the very beginning when we were working on this checklist and right after you called the NRCS office to get the conservation plan. So you should have their name, number, and other pertinent information saved right here. Give them a shout. Tell them that you're ready to get a letter of support from them. Ask them what information they would like other than the letter of support. They may want to see your application and narrative. They may want to see your budget and timeline. If so, go ahead and send them both of those things in an email or print them and take them along. Where you find the letter of support is on the Healthy Soil Program website. Scroll down to the second hyperlink for individuals. Again, scroll down to step 5 in the application document checklist. Expand that, and you'll find the letter of support template right here. Download that. Save it to your computer. Guess what? In the file marked HSP FY26 with everything else. You can print this and fill it out by hand, or since you're already on your computer, you can fill out all these fields right here, just typing in and then save it. Oh, beg your pardon. Start at the top. In this field right here, Healthy Soil Program funding requested for this project, you're going to go to your timeline and budget, scroll all the way down and over, and you're going to use this final big number, 24,922.56, and put that in here. For the project summary, you already did this work. It is here in this document, right where it says Project Summary. I just copied all of this and pasted it into here. This gives you your project summary and a quick description. Your sponsor will fill out the bottom part of this, sign it, and return it to you. Ask them when you can expect to get this signed and back to you. Take a deep breath. There's one last thing to do to get your letter of once you get your letter of support back. It's mostly copying and pasting and double checking your work online. For now, go and talk with the land, be with your family, do something you love. This has been a lot of intense work and you deserve a break. Next up is the final video in the series, uploading documents and submitting. Almost there.